A message from Afghanistan, the land of lions, to the superpowers of the world. By the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and compassionate. All praises belong to Almighty Allah, and peace be upon His last messenger to the mankind, Hazrat Muhammad, and upon His noble companions. O the inheritors of the former Great Britain's empire and the former USSR, Soviet Union empire, and also the present government of USA, yesterday's superpower of the world. Do not interfere in personal affairs of Afghanistan anymore. Do not create troubles in the way of the development of Afghanistan. Give up your aggressions. Get lessons from your previous mistakes or criminal activities you've done against the people of Afghanistan. Seek pardon from the innocent and oppressed people of Afghanistan. You've already paid the price of your criminal activities you've committed against Afghanistan, invaded the country and killed the civilians mercilessly. Oh, British, Russian, and American superpowers, where are your empires nowadays? Have you ever noticed what were the causes of your fall? In fact, Great Britain Empire collapsed just after its defeat in Afghan-Anglo War in the second decade of 1900 AD. Didn't it? Also, the Soviet Union Empire descended from super to zero just they announced the end of their invasion in Afghanistan in almost the beginning of the last decade of 1900. Likewise, yesterday's superpower of the globe, USA, is no more superpower of the world. Its sovereignty has lasted, along with their last flight departed from Kabul airport at August 31st, 2021. So, instead of insisting on your aggressive attitude towards the people of Afghanistan, it would be better for you to stand with the people of Afghanistan shoulder to shoulder to rebuild the country which is destroyed by your weapons of mass destruction. Instead of aggressions, it would be very safe for you and for your people and for the entire world to heal the physical, psychic, and material injuries from which the people of Afghanistan have been suffering for almost 5 decades. Stand with them, support them with humanitarian aid and support. Otherwise, as you've lost your supremacy because of your anti-human activities, especially against Afghans, you might be omitted from the existence of the universe by the power of the supreme superpower of the entire universe, Almighty Allah. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.